Hey everyone, thank you for joining back into the Crypto Ods. Please give the video some thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Today I'm gonna talking about the Ethereum and the price outlooks for December. If you look at the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, you can see that in the past we have always had a price bonus in the December. Every time this has happened, it's formed a repeating pattern. You can see here 2015, 2016, 16, 17, 18, 19, and every time that pattern has been happened. Right now the weekly 50 moving average is holding the price. You see this one, our 50-week moving average hold the price, and bullish flag has formed on the chart. This pattern could push us up to 0.051 Satoshi in this level here. This move can happen depend by some situation on Bitcoin. Let's jump up to the Bitcoin chart. You see here, as I've shown you in the previous videos, just like in the past, before the entering a bear market, similar to this previous cycle, we could get a price bonus in 100-week moving average in this level. Last cycle we got the bonus here, 100-week moving average. Another one here, and we got a pullback in 100-week to 50 weeks moving average here. During this period, Ethereum might start a price bonus in December, and all coins could see some price recovery. In my view, the best approach is to exit the market completely during this pullback to the 50 weeks moving average, even if it means taking a loss. You might think that over the uptrend will continue from that point. Some of you thinking about that our bull market will be continue. We're going to a higher price, but for me, I prefer that first of all we have to take back that level 102, and the most important one is 112k. And if we are take the 112k in the Bitcoin, that's the sign of the our bull market will be continue. So as I said that I prefer to take the profit here if you get the pullback in the 50 weeks moving average, and after that the market will take the 112k. So I will join the market again. This solution helped me to manage my risk. I don't recommend everyone to do that. Everyone has their own risk appetite, depend by you. If we get rejected again from the 50 weeks moving average, if we will push up back toward the 100 week, I mean here, this one, the 100 week, if you get the pullback here from the 100 weeks moving average at around 82k, losing this level would lead too much sharper declines historically. Every time you see, every time we lost the 100 weeks moving average, the market drops and bleeded sharply every time. Next support would be our 20 weeks moving average. I mean here, around 50k and 55k. If, like in the previous cycle, there is some deviation from the norm, and we go below the 20 weeks moving average, it could be roughly, let's see, if you are go down below the, like here, let's see, 32%. If you go down 32% like a last cycle, let's see here, 32%. We could drop to 37 or 39k. If that would be happen like last cycle, which means, as I said that before, so we could drop to our 0.786 Fibonacci like last cycle. You see here, if you drop like that, like the previous cycles, you could go there in 36, 35, 37, 39, I don't know, depend by the market situations. If October 15 is the peak in this cycle, the bottom would be around the October 2026. Looking at the previous cycle in 2021, the previous cycle here, our peak was in the November, you see, November, and our bottom in the November. So if in this cycle our peak in the October, we got the peak in the October, I would expect that our bottom would be in the October 2026. Right now, we need to see how the market reacts to our 50 weeks moving average. We must approach the market step by step, slowly but surely, and reach the better conclusion. We cannot predict the very distant future in this cycle. It's far more complex than all previous cycles. We only have a small lantern in the hand, and we need to analyze the market carefully, step by step, to see our next move. In the next video, I'll share on-chain and economic data with you, so you can gain a better perspective and make some informed decision. Peace out.